Hey, I got a quick tip here outside of my normal topics. I was trying to unhook these Quickjack lifts at my mom's house to move them around, and they have these quick connect fittings here that should, in theory, pop right off. But I was pulling and pulling, moving this collar around. The instructions I found online just said it should come off with hand pressure, don't use any tools. I used some tools, I still couldn't get it to budge. And I saw a video where somebody had a little ball pictured inside this little notch here on the ring. And so if I twisted this around, I see that ball. And if I happen to line the pin up with it, the bastard comes right apart. So everybody else on the internet is trying to figure out how to put these things back together. If you're like me and you can't figure out how to get them apart, hope this help you out. Bye.